Dance Universe! Let's welcome them back here, the winning dance star duo, Rocco and
Sophia with Coach Angel!
Grabe! Let's go! Yun na pala yung sinasabi nila kanina na talagang yung mga may baon sila.
Oo. At saka yung pala yung hinanda ni Rocco, yung iwawasiwas niya
Kaya,
talaga.
guys, congratulations. And
Good
Sophia,
job.
finally.
Oo, first dance off, first win!
Yes!
Deserving.
Deserve, tama.
Yes.
Anong pakiramdam ninyo na kayo yung winner for this episode and especially with this piece made by Coach Angel?
Actually, sure win tayo.
Nako. Hindi ko matatakot sila kapag nag-match up ulit kami.
Pero may fact kaming narinig na parang nung naiyak si Coach Angel nung rehearsal, alam niya na eh.
Oh.
Kaya pinaghandaan niyo talaga yung pang dance off.
Nung technical rehearsal, nag-iiyakan na kami sa stage. Eh. So sabi ko, okay, baka nadala na natin yun.